Did you know that nearly half of adults worldwide live with high blood pressure? It's a silent condition, but its impact on your heart, brain, and overall health is loud and clear. Don't worry, managing it doesn't have to be overwhelming. In the next 3 minutes, we'll guide you through a simple and delicious diet plan to help lower your blood pressure naturally. Ready to transform your plate and your health? Let's dive in. First, why does diet matter so much for hypertension? Think of your arteries as a garden hose. When they're healthy and flexible, blood flows easily. But with high blood pressure, it's like squeezing that hose. Your heart works harder, and over time, it can lead to serious problems like heart attacks or strokes. The good news? The right foods can reduce this pressure, improving your heart health step by step. This isn't about starving yourself or giving up your favorite meals. It's about balance, smart choices, and making eating an enjoyable experience again. Now let's get to the fun part, your easy diet plan for lowering blood pressure. Kickstart your day with potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, and avocados. Potassium helps balance out sodium in your body, reducing blood pressure naturally. Sweet potatoes or beans are also excellent options. Add a generous helping of leafy greens to your meals. Think spinach, kale, or Swiss chard. These veggies are loaded with nitrates, which relax your blood vessels and improve circulation. Swap out white bread, pasta, and rice for whole grain versions. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice are packed with fiber, which can help lower cholesterol and keep blood pressure in check. Healthy fats like those in olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish, such as salmon or mackerel, are heart-friendly. These can replace saturated fats found in butter or processed snacks. When hunger strikes, reach for unsalted nuts, seeds, or a handful of berries. These snacks provide antioxidants which fight inflammation and support heart health. Season your meals with herbs like basil, rosemary, or spices like turmeric and cayenne. These not only add flavor but also come with anti-inflammatory benefits, helping to keep your blood pressure stable. Last but not least, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps your body function optimally, including regulating blood pressure. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Small changes like adding a leafy green side or swapping chips for nuts can have a big impact over time. Stick with it and your heart will thank you. Together, we can make healthier living simple and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use this advice today. If you enjoyed this, check out our other videos for more tips on healthy living and well-being you'll love. Thanks for watching.